When we talk about sustainability, most people think about rolling resistance, fuel efficiency, or recycling old casings. But the real impact starts much earlier at the source of the raw materials that go into sustainability-minded tires. That's where manufacturers are changing how they source rubber, how they use it, and even where it comes from. Let's take a closer look at how and why that shift is happening. Many tire manufacturers have made sustainably sourced natural rubber a core part of their long-term goals. But sourcing is only the first step. Manufacturers are also finding ways to reduce the amount of traditional natural rubber they need. Some are researching alternative plants that can produce natural rubber without stressing the current supply. One example is rubber extracted from dandelion roots, a material that has already made its way into commercial tires after years of research and testing. Recycled and renewable inputs are becoming a bigger part of the equation too. Manufacturers have begun turning waste streams into raw materials that reduce reliance on conventional sources. Polyester made from recycled plastic bottles is already replacing traditional polyester in certain tire carcass constructions. And synthetic rubber can now be produced from things like used cooking oil. Sustainability also extends to the additives used during tire production. Some manufacturers now use additives derived from recycled biological waste, greatly reducing the overall carbon footprint of the vulcanization process. These materials help protect rubber during curing while supporting the shift toward cleaner, renewable feedstocks. Managing all these inputs requires a structured approach. That's why manufacturers are adopting mass balance tracking to monitor how renewable and recycled materials move through their production systems. By tracking the share of sustainable materials at each stage, manufacturers can steadily increase how much makes it into the final product, all without disrupting performance, safety, or consistency. Remember, sustainability doesn't begin at the tread or end at the recycling center. It begins with every raw material that goes into building the tire. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.